Bro, Brandon, he would look good in the Lotus.
What do you mean by that?
So you saying like he look good or like what you?
No, I'm not saying he look.
Hey, so you telling me?
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy. Get from over here. Now what you gonna do?
Dad. That ain't. I thought you was my dad, bro.
Oh, man, we thought.
Gay.
I just hit that crack pipe, y'all want some?
Bruh.
Yeah, your son is fine.
Yeah!
Yeah, we're just chilling outside.
Yeah! Everybody say yeah, yeah! Yeah!
Ain't no way.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight.
YouTube, what the up, man? We out here another day, another dollar. Look who just pulled up to this motherfucker, boy. Hey, I'm hungover as fuck. I'm surprised I made it out, bro. I'm struggling. Huh?
You had a mean hangover, right?
Hey, I'm done.
Mean hangover, right? And you still cannot get out the content.
Got to.
I
I ain't come for the car. I came for the bitches.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hey, I want to. It's a cat, like a 392, some weird shit. But this motherfucker got some. Look on the back of his car real quick. How he put his drag radios on. This is different.
Boy, that's it, bro. I was having
He ready to go. Hey, hey. First of all, this, yeah, that's some cute shit. These niggas.
Then you gotta pull them over.
Hey, y'all want to see the Walmart version of Brandella?
Yo! Listen, I do not, I'm not co-writing that. I'm not saying that's legit. Listen, bro.
Damn. Hey, you out here motivating
You gonna
people.
watch your video for real,
Yeah.
No.
Hey, what y'all think, man? This looks super clean. Tow charger. You can hear. I love the whistle that come off of these things, man. You got the filter on there. I'm not the biggest Mustang fan, but can't deny it, man. What the fuck is this?
Jesus Christ.
I'm a YouTuber. Of course I do such shit.
What do you mean by that?
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Hey!
Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? I ain't touching that, bro. Anybody give me no camera touching that.
What you doing? What is it?
You can't drive, huh? 'Cause he don't trust you at all.
Oh shit. Does that mean the driver can't drive or what?
You're not in the front seat though, bro. You supposed to be up
Yeah,
there.
you supposed to be in the front.
really fast. It's hard,
Okay,
bro.
okay.
Really fast, yeah.
Hell yeah.
You hard. The helmet hard, though. You supposed to be up there, bro. You got donuts?
Look. Yeah. No way. What diet?
Ain't gonna lie to you, bro. It is warm too, cause of the motor. The motor kept it warm.
They gonna be shitting
in a minute.
It's alright.
They put laxatives in it.
Okay.
And life with you, y'all full go sub. Or life with you underscore, my bad.
Okay.
You got here, bro. Getting the content, bro.
Hell yeah.
Working. Can't lie.
Hey, how was that event yesterday, though? At 5 o'clock.
Yeah, he went. I ain't went.
How was that? It was straight. The one at 5?
Dark night shit. Yeah, it was alright.
Okay.
They were still out there about till 2 o'clock. They was at
I left though. They was out there all night.
They was out there for a
Yeah,
minute.
where Supercharged Cam pulled up to the other one in Kennesaw. I don't have any pictures of it. It's pretty new.
How long you had it wrapped now?
I've had it since probably
Seatbelt, interior, look, headliner matching. Okay.
I see stuff like this.
Hell yeah. You know I gotta see the Lambo. You know I gotta see it. Oh.
Yeah, it really is.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Hey, one day.
The 2018.
2018.
Hey, this car make me feel tall.
Yeah.
Oh, this feel good, man.
I'm a short little fucker. What do you?
This shit feel good.
She's fun, man. I haven't done anything to her yet. I've only had her about 6 months.
Oh, this shit is
I
gorgeous.
only got her to put rally miles on.
Oh.
I asked her to put horses though.
Hey, this is clean, y'all. Goals. This is clean. Got to.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah, you did something before you passed.
But yeah, the ball's right there.
Finally, I told people fail.
Bro, I didn't could jump over these motherfuckers.
Damn.
This shit sit low, bro.
I should probably
Try. Come here. Come here. We gotta get him to try.
My demolition derby car.
Hey, this gonna be funny as hell. I don't think Brando can fit in this car.
I bet that's fun.
That's fucking funny shit. There's all of us. So much fun.
Look. He's not gonna be able to fit. Go ahead.
We're all road rally racers and stuff. So the first 10 minutes, we're all driving around.
No.
No way was
Damn.
I cannot. I get Brando ain't getting this Lambo.
Yeah.
From my too.
There's my dragster.
That shit is.
I take out a salt
I'm
flat.
gonna do it over.
You run them in soft flats?
Yeah. For Speed Week in August. We have sponsors these and
Damn right, you two.
DJ
What's up, man? We opening the vlog like that, and we got to do it in style. Let's go ahead and get into the content, because I already recorded this sort of kind of backwards. Hey, what y'all think, man? V8, twin turbo, AMG, see-through hood. This is super clean. Super clean.
Shout out to Patrick Langston, handcrafted. He
Ooh.
signed it with his signature.
Ooh.
You feel me?
And shout out to the LGBTQ, because it's a bi-turbo.
You know?
You know what I'm saying?
You know?
I didn't even know they made cars gay. Bi-turbo.
And guess what? For you, it got a transmission.
Oh. How they got the nitrous just sitting right next to him? I couldn't do it. Ooh. Hey, y'all look at these cars though, man. What the hell is going on here? Let me shoot from underneath. They got a 5-0.
Oh, that is hard.
What you said the rap shit was called again? Or not the rap, but the patina. So they do that on purpose. For the vlog. For the vlog. Oh my god, guys, so I'm with the boys. Oh my god. Oh, we're about to see Lambos. Oh yeah, that's the opening. We using that to open the vlog. We using that to open the vlog. And no new whip. STO.
Sheesh. What they pulling up in that?
Lamborghini. Yours?
Yours is overrated.
No, it's not.
Liar, bro. Overrated, bro.
Hey, the body kits on them STOs though, man. Love your car, man. Love your car. Yeah. Love you, man.
Up in an air when dying. I think all my shit is hot. If everyone think that it's not, then everyone lying. I hope my shit doesn't fly. Cause I put a gun in your head, make everyone buy it. Thinking I hope you get buried inside. Or you get buried in silence. The day that I die, get buried in dollars. I'm killing you niggas, you barely surviving. I think I'm so high, I can marry a pilot. I'm Area 51, Alien Island. My UFO flying is scary and violent. I shut down a planet, you hearing the sirens.
Canceled. Hey, Brando getting canceled for that plate. Dad, is that you, Dad? Dad. That ain't. I thought you was my dad, bro.
money, I might be. I ain't got no feelings, I dare you to fight me. I sleep with a leopard, I'm really a writing and pussy and money. It really excites me and ready, don't try me, so bow. Fuck all you bricks, you cannot harm me, I think you a bitch. You think I'm corny, I think I'm the shit. When she get horny, she think of my dick. When I was broke, I would think like I'm rich till I fucked up my credit and hit me a lick. Then I got me some money to get me a crib and then blew it on bitches from plenty of fish. Fuck was I thinking? I'm going back to the streets. If Freddie and Jason had babies, my nigga, I promise, and that would be me. Niggas all in my honey and acting all funny, I think I'm attracted to beef. They tell me that I changed, I look in the mirror like, what the fuck happened to me? Oh
no!
Whoa, boy! I don't know. He came over and started recording.
Wow. He did say he can't die.
Get your mind up.
Like, why you screaming?
I got sensitive ears.
I ain't gonna lie, though. That's true. You got $100,000, $120,000 car with some $30 brakes.
To this defense, carbon ceramic brakes, dude, just squeak that loud.
He got the ceramic. He got the basic.
He went to AutoZone.
Yeah.
He went to AutoZone.
Hey, look at the watch. Hey, flip that wrist real quick. Flip that wrist. What you like, man? What you like? You oh, this one's gonna be so good. Oh my God, that's a demon. Oh my God. That's two demons.
Oh my God, that's an RT.
He going to hell. 40-year-old. Oh, he got 40-year-old question mark. Okay. Go talk to the. Go tell the Lotus owner then. Hey. Yeah. Hey, go tell the Lotus owner his shit ugly. Go tell him his shit ugly. Nah, I'm playing.
No, I rock it, dog. I mean, I don't.
It's big car on E. You on race fuel?
Are you on race yet?
Are you on race fuel? Oh, I'm sorry.
He going to jail. The baby was in a bag like little puppies.
Are y'all snitching?
No, I'm not snitching.
Baby's in my girl.
Y'all
Brando favorite car. Stand next to it. Brando favorite car.
Bro, Brando, he would look good in the Lotus.
So you saying like he look good or like what you?
No, I'm not saying he look.
Hey, so you telling me you got 100,000, 150,000 in your bank account? You gonna go buy this?
First of all, they're not even that much. They're not even that much.
Hell yeah.
You got money in your pocket.
Like 65, 75.
65, 70,000 in your pocket. You gonna go buy this shit? Oh God.
I would. I'd drive me a Performante. Okay, but I would. I would shut down on the Vora.
If you had 100,000, bro, would you go to the dealership and pick that? Yes or no?
Nah, I'm gonna go buy like 3 kids from a Somalian country.
That's better. That's better than that. Better.
Oh God.
To get in that piece of shit.
So we're not gonna ask why Josh is thinking about buying kids.
No. Look at that car, bro. The car is ugly. I cannot stop. He died. He died. I'm dead ass serious.
Do you know who Harvey Weinstein is?
Yeah, that's my homeboy.
You can drink and drive it and drink.
Look inside, man. Clean on an MC20. This is clean, y'all.
Yeah, that's
Details are crazy.
They it's a whole carbon fiber tub. The whole, just the tub. They're trying to make it.
Damn, flash car. Man, look at this. This is clean.
I'm about to die. I just hit that crack pipe. Y'all want some?
And another one.
What's the lobster?
That's what we looking like with all our ashy ass lips out this motherfucker. Come on. That bitch is hard, bro.
Hey, get out of camera cash.
Yeah, man, they done pulled him over. I don't know why. It's too cold to write tickets today. Shit. Man, what are those? What are those? Skechers? What are those Skechers? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, it's the fact they just take it fine and make shit.
Bro, why? Bro, listen, bro. Why is this man standing? Put the camera on him. Why is he standing right there? Instead of getting your nose, like a nigga about to get out and start spraying shit up, bro. Like, this is Cobb County, bro. Cobb County do the fucking most.
Tell me.
Get a nigga a warning and let it keep pushing. Man. We all out here for one reason. Show our shit up.
Specifically talking like you can do that.
Hey, smile for my thumbnail, officer. Come on now. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, smile for my thumbnail.
What's up?
Finally seeing that shit in person though, it's hard as hell, bro. I can't lie. Finally seeing it in person, it's everything that I know. But it's clean. 720 clean, Lambo clean, Rabbit clean as fuck. Alright, some of these Porsches are super clean. This one for facts. We'll see what else coming. This black one, the matte color on it. Hey, Demon leaving. Demon 170 out, man. That bit clean. But hey, y'all don't judge me. I prefer the Demon, just the Demon, not the 170. I like the wide front, the wide rear. The 170 just got the narrow front with the wide rear. That ain't for me, my boy. Looking at McLaren. I had to get the clearing, bro. This shit is so, I'm telling you, like, I love this old car. The 720 is dope. The color is dope. Can't mess it up. Hey, YouTube, that is it for now. Hopefully I got enough footage. Whatever I got is what I have, man. Whatever I have is what I have. I'm not doing too much more. I am extremely tired. Like I said, I'm not feeling good. I just want to relax. I have work tomorrow. This is a day to enjoy. So enjoy the reels, enjoy the Instagram, enjoy the YouTube, enjoy the shorts, enjoy everything, man. Remember, you can find me, I Stay Joshin, on all platforms. Big shout out to my boy Gray for letting me sit in the Lamborghini. All right, sorry if y'all see something in my nose. It's probably 30 degrees outside. I'm cold as hell, and that's all it is, man. But we about to go make some more reels. We about to go link up with the boys. And then again, like I said, I want to head to the crib today, man. It's short and sweet. I hope y'all like. I hope y'all enjoy. That's all, man. We on the grind, bro. We everywhere. We doing all kind of videos. It don't matter what it is, bro. We doing all kind of videos. So, like I said, hopefully y'all enjoying this damn content, man. I love y'all, boys. Stay blessed. Stay black. See you on another day. Everybody got this shit.
Hey, bro, this shit gonna be hard, bro.
Hell yeah.
This shit gonna be crazy. Bro, I'm terrible.
Hell yeah.
Where the fuck I just let that?
Yeah. Ain't no one colder than me. Yeah. I'm straight from the mud. I got me a plug and now I be rolling with Meech. You think you the shit, I think you a bitch. Now go ahead and call the police. These niggas a trip, your homie's a snitch. You probably be home in the week. I hit up Tori and told him I know you don't like me, but fuck it, I'm over the beef. Told him we could be friends, invited him over and gave him some soda and bleach. They said, Johnny, you lost it. I told him they soft. Now go take a stroll on the beach. Nigga, I got the sauce. Bitch, I'm a dog. Just don't get a hold of my leash. Yeah, nigga, back to the bluff. Johnny, get back to the bus. If I do not make a few million and shit, I might just go back to the hustle. I got me some product and I ain't gon' hide it. I might just start trapping in public. I might go to prison and free all my niggas. That's word that Harriet Tubman. Tired of you asking me questions, I'm sick of it. Why you keep shutting shit down on the internet? Why do you have so much talent and benefits? Why you keep dropping your album in increments? ADHD is a social experiment. Who pay attention the most when they're hearing it? You cannot stop it, there's no one interfering it. This is my moment and no one is sharing it. Nigga, I'm just getting started. I hit on my targets, I promise I'm very defiant. If I do not win the Grammy this year, then I blow that bitch up and then everyone dying. I think all my shit is hot. If everyone think that it's not, then everyone lying. I hope my shit doesn't flop, cause I put a gun in your head, make everyone bite. I'm digging the hole, you get buried inside. Or you get buried in silence. I did it, I die, I get buried in diamonds. I'm killing you niggas, you barely surviving. I think I'm so high, I can marry a pilot. I'm Area 51, Alien Island. My UFO flying is scary and violent. I shut down the planet, you hearing the sirens. I'm very excited and you shouldn't bother. Jonah got too many problems. I told that little bitch that I'm down with a threesome as long as it's you and your mama. I ain't got no patience, I love to get dirty, but fuck it, I'm cool with the drama. When niggas be hating, I tell them no worries, my nigga Akuna Matata. I don't wear Prada, just bring me a white tee. I bust on my jealous, I still wear the Nikes. I roll with some hitters, I know you don't like me. I shit on you niggas, now bring me some white beats. You think I'm a killer, well maybe I might